Namaste everyone. In mathematical magic, let us see fun with numbers today. And the first question is, we are given a magic square and it is having 4 missing numbers. We have to fill these 4 missing numbers and the sum of each row and each column and each diagonal must be same. So first of all, let us see what is the sum. So sum will be the whole part we have 13 plus 9 22 plus 5 27 and 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 will be 3 upon 4. So means the total is 27 by 3 upon 4. Now we have to fill them. How we will fill? See, 13 8 21 and 21 plus 6 27. What we need 6 by 3 upon 4. In same way 13 10 23 and 23 plus 4 27, but we have 3 upon 4 also, so we need 4 by 1 upon 4. Same here 10 5 15, half 1, so it will be 16, and 16 plus 11 27, so we need 11 by 3 upon 4. Same 8 5 13, then 13 plus 14 27, what we need 1 upon 4 also, so this will be 14 by 1 upon 4. Now see, 14 9 23, 23 plus 4 27, and 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 will be 3 upon 4. In next magical box, fill in only prime numbers from 2 to 73 to get the total equals to 111. So how we have to fill it? Let us see. First of all, we have to fill only prime numbers. So here I am writing 37, and with this 37 our each box will be complete. Now how it will be complete? Now 37 plus 13 is equals to 50. We need 111. So what we need to fill here? 61. In same way 61 plus 7 68. Then what we need to fill here? It will be 68 plus 43 is equals to 111. 43 plus 1 44, then 44 plus 67 will be equals to 111. In same way 67 plus 13 is 80, and 80 plus 31 is equals to 111. Now 37 plus 1 38, and 31 plus 7 is 38, and 38 plus 73 is equals to 111. Now you can check it. Each row and each column sums up to 111. Next is put numbers 11 to 17 in the empty circles so that each line containing 3 circles totals equals to 44. Now how we can fill it? See, 11 plus 17 is 28. The total must be equal to 44. So how much you will add in 28 to get 44? So this will be equals to 28 plus 16 equals to 44. Then simply what we need to do, here we have 11, here you can fill 12, and here you can fill 13. These 3 numbers automatically will come. How? Here it is 16, then it will be 15, then it will be 14. You can check the sum of each line is equals to 44. Next is fill in the numbers in the empty circles in such a way that each line with 4 circles adds up to 34. Now each line must have a sum of 34. Now what will come in the first line? See, it is 10 and 1, 11. Then 11 I am going to fill here. Now 11, 11, 22, and the sum must be equals to 34. Then 22 plus 12, 22 plus 12, 34. In same way, 8, 1, 9. Then what we need? 9 I am going to fill here. Then 9, 9, 18, and 18 plus 16 will be equals to 34. In same way, 15 plus 8, 23, and what we need to fill here? 23 plus 7 is 30, and 30 plus 4 will be 34. In same way, 14 plus 13 is 27, 27 plus 4, 27 plus 4, 31, and 31 plus 3, 34. Now 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, and 28, what we need to 28 plus 6 equals to 34. Now next is fill in the numbers 1 to 12 in the empty circles, making sure that each line when added gives the total of 24. Now how this will give the total of 24? Let us see the pattern. First of all, what we required. So I'm going to start with 1. But this 1, we got one more number, because 8, 1, 9, and 9 plus 12, 21, and 21 plus 3 will be equals to 24. Then in same way, see, 10 plus 3, 13. Now what we need? We need 11. So let us fill 5 here and 6 here. 6, 5, 11. Then what we got? Next 12, 6, 18. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. So 6 we have to divide in 2 parts. So I am going to divide in 4 and 2. Then 8, 5, 13, 13, 2, 15. 15 plus dash equals to 24. Same, 10, 1, 11, 11, 4, 15. 15 plus dash equals to 24. What we need to fill? 15 plus 9 equals to 24. This is your required answer. Then the last one is a magic. Put addition sign between some of the numbers so that the total is 99. Means we have to put a sign of addition between some of the numbers, not between all the numbers, between few of the numbers, and the total must be equals to 99. So let us see. 9, 8, 17, 17, 7, 24, 24 plus 65. 65 I am taking as a number, plus, 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 plus. Add these all, you will get your answer. In same way, we have one more row. Here also 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4, 3, 43 plus 21. The total will be equals to 99. Next, let us discuss few mathematical signs and The first one is not equal to, so this is the sign of not equal to. Mark equal to and cut it. Then ratio, we used to use colon, then parallel lines. So for that we used to use two vertical lines, under root. So this is the symbol of square root or under root. Then congruent, equal to and a sleeping s. It is the symbol of congruent. Infinity, that is sleeping 8. Infinity, degree, small circle on any number is called degree. Then sigma. Sigma is the symbol of summation. This is called sigma. It means sum of a row or a column. Then pi, you know, it is the ratio of circumference and diameter, and in this way we used to write it. Then next, absolute value. Here they use brackets, but sometime square brackets for the absolute value, but sometime we used to use two vertical lines also. Then golden ratio. In mathematics, this golden ratio is called phi, and this is the symbol of phi. Then proportion. Two times we have to write columns to mark proportion. Then approximately equal to. So approximate equal to is 2 times sleeping s, that is approximately equal to. Not equal to, but approximately equal to. Then non-terminating decimal, for that we used to use bar on the repeating digits. This is called bar. Then perpendicular. So this is the symbol of perpendicular. Okay. Then cube root. It is also next part of square root, but here inside the angle we have to write 3. Then arc. So this is the symbol of arc. These are your few mathematical symbols. Now what's next? In this we have to complete the series. The first series is 97. First of all, we have to see the pattern. So first number is 97, then 89, then 83, then 79. You can see these are prime numbers in reverse order. So next prime number will be 73 and its next prime number will be 71. In next one we have 4, then 11, then 32, then 95. Now let us see the pattern. The pattern will be 4 3s are 12 and 12 minus 1, means first multiply by 3, then subtract 1. So 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 1 11, 11 3s are 33, 33 minus 1 32, 32 3s are 96, 96 minus 1 95. Now 95 3s are will be 285, and 285 minus 1 is 284, and 284 3s are will be 852, and 852 minus 1 will be 851. In next we have 100, then 81. So these are perfect squares in reverse order. 10 square, 9 square, 8 square, 7 square, then 6 square 36, and 5 square 25. In next, these are cubes of numbers in ascending order. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, then 5 cube is 125, and 6 cube is 216. Then in next we have 2, 9, 11, 20 and 31. So what is the pattern? The pattern will be sum with the previous number. So 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 11 31, then 31 plus 20 will be 51, and 51 plus 31 will be 82. In next we have 101, then 97, then 89, then 77, then 61. Now what will be the pattern? Here 101 minus 4 is 97. Then 97 minus 8 is 89. 89 minus 12 is 77. Then 77 minus 16 is 61. So first 4 2s are 8, 3s are 12, 4s are 16, and 4 5s are 20. What will come? 61 minus 20 is 41. Then after that 4 6 are 24. So 41 minus 24 will be equals to 17. Next 216, then 108, then 36, then 9. So divided by 2, 108, divided by 3, 36, divided by 4, 9, divided by 5 will be 9 upon 5. This will be 1.8. Then after that divided by 6. So 1.8 divided by 6 will be equals to 0.3. This is your required answer. Let us see few more such patterns. First one is E upon 85, 82 upon H, K upon 79, 76 upon N. Now first of all relate the letters. Now you can see E, F and G are left, then H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. The relation in the numbers. 85 plus minus 3, 82, minus 3, 79, minus 3, 76, minus 3, 73, and minus 3, 70. Same in the next pattern we have 1, 2, next 3, 4, next 5, 6, next will be 7, 8. Now how these two numbers are related with this one? Now see, 2 ones are 2, multiply them, then double it, multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, add 1, you will get 5. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, plus 1, 25. 5 6 are 30, 30 2s are 60, plus 1, 61. 7 8 ja 56, 56 2s are 112, plus 1, 113 will be here. Same. Let us see the relation in the numbers. It is 4 and 25. 4 is 2 square, then 25 is 5 square. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. Here 3 square, here 6 square, 6 plus 3 will be 9. It is 7 square and 11 square, 11 plus 7 will be 18. So this is the relation.